Hey guys, I just wanted to film a really quick garden update video just to show you. It's not a full garden tour. I did a garden tour video a little bit ago. Feel free to check that out, but some things are huge, some things are kind of phasing out, so I just wanted to show you. Check out this tomato jungle. We had 3, maybe 4 days of just pure rain nonstop, and they flopped over. So now our hallway here, I figured they're just gonna grow and it's gonna be wild. But we don't mind at all. Let me show you a close-up of some tomatoes. Check out all of these hidden tomatoes in here.
You need a mat to get.
Look at these beauties. Check out more tomatoes right there, more tomatoes right there.
Apparently they're over our peppers.
They're all over our peppers. Check out just beautiful tomatoes everywhere. And look at this big one all the way over here. I mean, come on, so pretty. So yes, should we have pruned? Should we have kept them nicer? Normally we do, and we'd stay on top of it, but this year we got so busy, we just let them go wild. And as you can see here in this bed, we usually tie them against here, but they flopped over. I kind of like this jungly look. It's kind of fun because our garden's pretty neat and tidy for the most part. Everything's pretty defined, but I don't know. It's kind of a fun little crazy corner. And we're gonna harvest some kohlrabi, so I don't know which video I'll post first, this one or the other one, but the kohlrabi, they're ready to go. And then we'll plant something else here, which is exciting. I did want to show you over here. I think this is the largest zucchini plant I've ever grown. It's 4 zucchini plants, and just check them out. I mean, huge. And we got some beautiful zucchinis coming out of them all over the place. I can't remember the variety of these. They're beautiful. If you guys have never grown ground cherries, you should. They're like tomatillos in the way they grow, but they drop to the ground when they're ready and they're ripe, and they taste like pineapple and tomato. Really interesting. This is how normally we tie them up. So you can see here, this is our norm. We keep them neat and tidy. We just never got to it over there. So Holly, you can see here, in this bed, she harvested all the rest of the spinach. And then we have this right here. This is the basil. It is flowering, but that's okay. We'll just cut it and give it to the chickens. And then the rest we can still use. And here you can see Holly tied up some of the tomatoes. These look great in terms of looking neat and tidy and not wild like that. And here you could see lots of stuff happening. Beautiful flowers. We showed the video where we planted these right here, the super tunia, oh gosh, blue veined. These are just taking off. So I do want something tall here, so I might stick something in like a salvia or angelonia, something like that. But that's it. I just wanted to film a 2-3 minute quick update just to show you guys the happenings. We have lots of harvest videos coming soon, especially once all those tomatoes are coming along. We got some more nursery stuff to film. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye.